Large Scale Scrum approach, LSS, which stands for Large Scale Scrum, is a framework designed to extend Scrum principles to large-scale product development. It provides a simple, lightweight structure for managing multiple Scrum teams working together on a single product. What are the key characteristics of the large-scale Scrum approach? Simplicity. LS maintains the core principles of Scrum while providing guidelines to scale across multiple teams, emphasizing minimal additional roles, artifacts, and processes. Empirical process control. Like Scrum, LSS is grounded in empirical process control, relying on transparency, inspection, and adaptation. One product backlog. All teams work off a single product backlog, ensuring a unified direction and prioritization of work across teams. Cross-team coordination. LES encourages coordination among teams through shared events and practices, such as the overall sprint review and overall retrospective. Customer-centric focus. The framework emphasizes delivering value to customers and stakeholders, with a focus on continuous improvement and feedback. What are the most common applications? Large software development projects. LES is often used in organizations with large-scale software projects, where multiple teams need to collaborate effectively. Organizational transformations. It is applied in enterprises transitioning from traditional project management to Agile methodologies, aiming for improved collaboration and efficiency. Complex product development. Suitable for complex products that require input and work from multiple teams, ensuring alignment and coherence in development efforts.
What are the pros of this approach? Alignment. A single product backlog helps ensure all teams are aligned on priorities and goals, reducing the risk of miscommunication or conflicting work. Reduced overhead. LES minimizes the number of additional roles and artifacts, allowing teams to focus on delivering value without unnecessary complexity. Improved coordination. Shared events and practices foster collaboration and knowledge sharing among teams, enhancing overall productivity. Focus on learning. The framework encourages a culture of continuous learnings and adaptation through regular reviews and retrospectives. What are the cons? Limited guidance for scaling. While LSS provides a framework, it may lack detailed guidance for organizations new to Agile or those seeking specific practices for scaling. Dependency management challenges. Managing dependencies between teams can be complex and may require additional coordination efforts. Cultural shift. Implementing LSS may necessitate a significant cultural shift within the organization, which can face resistance or challenges. Training requirements. Teams may require training to fully understand and implement LSS practices effectively.
What is the recommended implementation strategy? First, provide training and education. Provide training sessions for all team members, including leadership, to ensure a foundational understanding of LSS principles and practices. Then, perform initial assessment. Assess the current organizational structure, team dynamics, and existing processes to identify areas for improvement and alignment with LSS. Next, implement pilot projects. Start with 1 or 2 pilot projects where multiple teams can implement LSS practices, allowing for experimentation and learning. Then, establish a product backlog. Create a single product backlog that includes input from all teams, ensuring a unified focus and prioritization of work. Next, facilitate cross-team events. Schedule overall sprint reviews and retrospectives to promote collaboration and address shared challenges among teams. Finally, allow for iterative improvement. Use feedback from retrospectives to continuously refine and improve the implementation of LSS, adapting practices as needed.
Here are a few best practices. Engage leadership. Secure commitment from leadership to support the transition to LSS and to provide the necessary resources and guidance. Foster collaboration. Encourage cross-team collaboration and communication, promoting a sense of shared ownership of the product. Keep it simple. Emphasize simplicity in processes and structures, avoiding unnecessary complexity that can hinder agility. Focus on value delivery. Maintain a strong focus on delivering value to customers, using the product backlog to prioritize work that aligns with customer needs. Encourage experimentation. Create a safe environment for teams to experiment with practices and learn from both successes and failures.
In summary, The LESS approach offers a structured yet flexible way to implement Scrum at scale, enabling organizations to manage large, complex projects with multiple teams. Its effectiveness depends on careful planning, training, and a commitment to continuous improvement.